Hello everyone, welcome back if you're returning, and hello if you're new here. My name is Ariel. I am the CEO of Beauty and Barbell Co, and today I am bringing you an ASMR video breaking up old makeup. Throughout my move recently, I asked myself why I still have all of this stuff if I can't even use it. It was just ridiculous. And my passion, I don't want to say I fell out of love with makeup, but I just didn't find the necessity for all the stuff that I had. And again, I created this channel in 2012, so thank you if you've been here for that long and saw my pregnancy vlogs and all of that stuff from years ago. But I still have some of that same makeup, and that's what we are going to be destroying today. So it's going to be good to reminisce on some older looks and just get rid of what isn't needed, what isn't a necessity. Excuse me. And that's about it. So thank you guys. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. There's going to be a lot more fun stuff to come, a lot more stuff coming from Beauty and a Barbell, new products that are in the making at the moment. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. We're going to be dumping everything in this bag because it's all going to go to the garbage. And I have this little tool over here. This is one of the lip gloss formulations that didn't make it for Beauty and the Barbell. I was filming before, but it didn't save. However, this is where we're at. We broke up so much stuff. Look at this pile. I thought I was going to be able to break everything up for you guys today, but it is not happening. So this is all that is going to be thrown out in the garbage. Literally all in the garbage. This is all that we broke up. And here, as far as my skin goes, I'm refusing to use anything but the Beauty and the Barbell Co skincare that's about to come through. So I'm just waiting on that and really going to show you guys like the awesomeness that it all is. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much again. Like this video if you haven't already. I'm a lot more active on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, go ahead and check it out. It's at Ariel Eloisa. Leave a comment down below telling me your questions on self-love, self-care, anything along those lines, fitness, and how it incorporates into self-love, self-care. Let me know your questions down below.